Hello guys, review Poco X8 Pro. This version 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. Open box and start unboxing. Look completion. In box we have key for SIM slot, cable Type-C to USB-A and protected back cover. Device of course in the black color, and that's all. That's all completion. We have massive 6500 mAh battery, 100 watt hypercharge adapter supports this display, 6.6 inch display, 1.5K, 120 Hz AMOLED display. Okay, now talk about device. On this side, power button, volume buttons. Upside we have microphone. Downside, main microphone, main speaker and slot for 2 nano SIM card and Type-C port. On this side without controls. Backside double camera and LED. Turn on device. Okay, we have Android 16, HyperOS version 3.0.4, Android 16, Vox, very good. Okay, and look benchmark results, single core score, multi-core score results, GPU test results. We have CPU MediaTek Dimensity 8500, 4 plus 3 plus 1 cores, and GPU Mali G 720. Look under the benchmark results, very good results. Okay, and PUBG Mobile works on the high graphic level. Close this. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.